whitening lotion for myself with just 2 actives. Yes, when you grow in skincare, you come to realize that it doesn't matter how many actives you add. What matters is the idea behind it, the knowledge behind it, the combination, the effectiveness of it. Okay, so stay tuned. If you have a sensitive skin like mine, or if you have a tough skin, stay tuned because I'm going to be teaching you how to formulate a very simple but effective whitening lotion. I'm sanitizing this jar to premix my whitening lotion. But before we do that, I want to encourage you with this Bible verse. Psalms 37 verse 23. The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord, and he delights in his way. Let us go ahead, wipe our bowl, and let me show you how I premix my whitening lotion. I have a very sensitive skin, and each time I want to do too much, my skin gets irritated. I don't use one product continuously. I'm someone home today I'm using this, tomorrow I'm using that because I'm trying to see what goes with my skin. I have my scale here, and this is the lotion I am using. It's called Miss White. It's written there 7 days, but is it true? I don't think the 7 days is true, but this product actually whitens the skin truly. So let's go ahead and put our base in the jar. The lotion was almost finished. I had to squeeze it out. The next we're going to be adding is a AHA serum. See, if you are someone who has a complicated skin, this is a corrector for you. This will exfoliate your skin, even out your skin, clear your dark spot, lighten, whiten your skin. We also said this, there are a lot of fake out there. That is why you need to look out for the original. This is a pack of it I just opened. You got to scan like we sell. If you need, let us know. I'm not adding more. I just want to add 10% of my AHA. I don't want too much because I have a sensitive skin. We have our 10%. This is Mimi White AHA serum. Next we're going to be adding is a glutathione comprime. This is not the original, but I will tell you this for free. The person who copied this serum did a great job. I have used it and it's really good and mild as the original. This is one of the concentrate you don't go wrong with, but please look for the original and buy. Okay, this is a copy of this concentrate. I'm just gonna be adding 10% as well. Like I told you, I have a sensitive skin. I don't do too much on my skin. We have our 10% in there. I'm going in with my skin with my clean spatula right now to stir it uniformly. When you stir it, can you see what we have in there? Let's go ahead and take a pH. I'm not going to be using any anti-reaction because all the products I've used in there, they are safe. They're not going to react on my skin. I've used them before. The only thing I'm going to be taking is my pH in case it is not balanced. I'm going to balance it. I'm not using any anti-stretch mark or anti-green vein because this concentrate I have added, they are very safe. The lotion as well. I've used them before on my skin. I don't know about your skin. You can see what we have here, which is balance, because the normal pH of your lotion should be between 4.2 to about 5.5, but if you still have 4, it is okay. I always say from 4 to about 5.5 is quite okay. Mine is balanced. I'm gonna go ahead and use my lotion. On this channel we do skincare product formulation, skincare product review, both natural, pro mixing. We also do supplement review. We sell as well and we train. And if you want to become a professional in skincare, do where to enroll into our training. We train you and we mentor you for free. We are always there answering your question. You see this particular training on your screen. Do where to enroll into this training and you will come to realize that you don't need to use a lot of products in order to have a very good result. What matters is the knowing, the idea, the knowledge of the skincare. Like this particular training you're seeing on your screen, advanced pro mixing training, it has details video, so you're not going to be asking me how do I mix. Detailed videos that you're going to watch. And also I'm going to be telling you how to know the original of all the actives we are using. Enroll into this training. Do where to like, subscribe and comment. That will encourage us to do more videos. And do where also to go through our previous videos, watch them, and trust me, you're going to meet videos that will turn your business around or we get rid of that skin challenge of yours. Now if you have a very tough skin, you would like to take your actives to 20% to 25% each, but you can start with about 15 to 20% and see if your skin can tolerate before you keep increasing. When it comes to skincare, you must be patient. You must test to see what goes with your body. If you are someone who doesn't have patience, skincare is not for you. So this is for someone that have a sensitive skin like me, what we just formulated. But you have a tough skin, like I said, increase your actives. Make sure your pH is always balanced.